make makeup. Hi. Hi.
You feel good?
Yes, I have makeup time.
Wow, it's nice your makeup.
Yeah.
Makeup kit.
What's makeup kit?
You have your lipstick, you have your mirror, you have your hair dryer. Wow, very cute your comb. What's that? Huh?
Linda.
Oh yeah.
No, I put your lad.
Huh? Yeah.
Watch a little bit.
Oh my love, be careful your hair. Can you please take off this one? The tie. Careful my love, you're hurting your yeah, be careful. No. Don't comb your hair like that. Oh. You want? I will help you.
My hair by myself.
Yeah.
When you're in the kitchen, I already know.
Ah, you don't want tie your hair? Oh. Great. But I think it's not a good idea to comb your hair like that.
Why?
It's going to hurt you.
No, not mine. I'm gonna make my hair straight.
You're just gonna comb your hair when you're in the shower, Charlotte.
Okay.
Okay? Not when your hair is dry.
But
You cannot comb your hair when your hair is
I
dry.
saw in their phone there's people brush their hair and when it's dry.
Just be careful. Love you, Charlotte. When Mama will have money, I'm gonna buy you a real
Makeup?
yeah, makeup.
For
A drawer. A drawer.
You will buy me real makeup?
I mean a drawer where you can put your comb. You will have
My
your.
real lipstick? My real makeup?
You want to put real lipstick?
Yes, because I'm almost becoming a flight attendant.
Oh. For that you must to eat a lot. My love, you must to eat a lot.
Okay? Always right.